is not what Hindu religion is. So the Hindu people, they should understand that militant Hindu groups are using these general Hindu people for their malicious purposes. So general Hindu people should be conscious and should not engage with these activities. In Bangladesh, in Chittagong port incident, we saw that
The advocate asked
there are people from Hindu communities basically connected with ISKCON. They murdered a Muslim advocate Saiful Islam. And I think these people, they are motivated by many Indian militant groups. These militant groups